Hey guys, so super simple way how you can connect your HP monitor to HP laptop to your printer. So what you need to do first is that primarily you want to go to the printers on just writing in search on Windows on the bottom right, and you're gonna have printers and scanners. And in a moment when you're gonna be here, you're gonna have add a printer or scanner, and you're gonna press your add a printer. And you need to have like enable the printer and turn it on, and it's going to search for printers like I have right now, the Epson. And then what you need to do, then it's going to be automatically connected, but I don't know what kind of printer you're connecting it to. Then what you need to do, you need to also you know what you need to do, you need to maybe download the driver. So you're gonna write here a like printer driver download, and while you're gonna connect it with the Windows, you need to also download a printer driver. So yeah, you need to do that. But yeah, this is how you're gonna connect it.